mesmerizing tale of Giza's pyramids from 600 to 2023. Starting in 600 AD, long after the last of the Great Pyramids was built, the Giza Plateau began to fascinate and mystify. By the Middle Ages, these pyramids were shrouded in legends, with tales of hidden treasure and ancient curses. Fast forward to the 19th century, the era of modern archaeology began to peel back the layers of mystery. Researchers discovered that these structures were not just tombs, but a complex of astronomical significance. As technology advanced into the 20th and 21st centuries, each discovery at Giza provided a clearer picture. We learned about the precision of ancient engineers and the labor of thousands of workers who toiled under the harsh Egyptian sun. And now, in 2023, using cutting-edge techniques like 3D scanning and virtual reality, we can walk through the corridors of these ancient wonders from anywhere in the world. Through centuries, the pyramids of Giza have stood as a testament to human ingenuity and the enduring desire to understand our past. Who knows what secrets still lie buried, waiting to be unearthed?